Place the Vizio TV on a stable surface where you can comfortably reach the screen. Make sure the Vizio TV is turned on so you can clearly see the ghosting or image retention on the screen. Unplug the Vizio TV from the wall power outlet to ensure safe cleaning and handling. Hold down the power button on the Vizio TV for 15 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Plug the Vizio TV back in and turn the Vizio TV on to check if the ghosting or image retention is still visible. If the issue remains, turn the Vizio TV back off to prepare for screen cleaning. Grab a clean microfiber cloth that is safe to use on the Vizio TV screen. Do not use paper towels or rough fabrics on the Vizio TV screen to avoid scratches. Gently wipe the Vizio TV screen using smooth circular motions to remove surface residue. If needed, lightly dampen the microfiber cloth with distilled water for the Vizio TV cleaning. Avoid spraying any liquid directly onto the Vizio TV screen to prevent moisture damage. Continue gently wiping the Vizio TV screen until the surface is clear and streak-free. Turn the Vizio TV back on to check if the ghosting or image retention has improved. If the ghosting is still present, access the settings menu on the Vizio TV using the remote. Navigate to the picture settings on the Vizio TV. Locate the contrast setting on the Vizio TV and reduce it slightly to prevent overexposure. Adjust the brightness setting on the Vizio TV to a moderate level. Set the sharpness on the Vizio TV to around 5 or lower to reduce image noise. Check if the Vizio TV ghosting looks lighter after adjusting these picture settings. Next, locate the Reduce Judder or Reduce Blur feature in the Vizio TV settings. Adjust motion settings on the Vizio TV to reduce trailing images. Return to the home screen on the Vizio TV and observe the display results. If ghost images are still faintly visible, open the Vizio TV menu again. Look for the pixel refresher or panel refresh feature in the Vizio TV settings if available. Activate the pixel refresher on the Vizio TV to help recalibrate the display. Allow the Vizio TV to run the refresh process without interruption. Once complete, restart the Vizio TV and check for improvements. If your Vizio TV does not have pixel refresher, leave a full-color screen on the Vizio TV. Use a solid white background on the Vizio TV for 30 minutes to help clear retention. Alternatively, cycle through red, green, and blue screens on the Vizio TV to stimulate pixels. You can find color cycling videos online and play them full screen on the Vizio TV. Allow the Vizio TV to run the color cycling for 20 to 30 minutes. After cycling, return to normal viewing on the Vizio TV. Examine the areas of ghosting on the Vizio TV closely. If the Vizio TV shows improvement but still has faint retention, repeat the cycle once more. Turn the Vizio TV off and let the screen rest for 10 minutes. Turn the Vizio TV back on to recheck the display clarity. If ghosting remains heavy, verify that no still images are left paused on the Vizio TV. Avoid keeping static logos or game HUDs on the Vizio TV for long periods. Use screensaver mode on the Vizio TV to prevent retention in the future. Enable pixel shift or image move settings on the Vizio TV if available. This slowly shifts the picture on the Vizio TV to avoid pixel burnout. Verify that your room lighting does not create glare on the Vizio TV screen. Adjust the angle of the Vizio TV to reduce reflections. Check the video source connected to the Vizio TV to rule out signal issues. Try playing a different video source on the Vizio TV to compare. If ghosting appears only from one input, change cables on the Vizio TV. Reseat the HDMI cable tightly into the Vizio TV port. Try another HDMI port on the Vizio TV to test for port damage. If the ghosting improves, the issue may have been signal interference with the Vizio TV. If the ghosting does not change, continue testing the Vizio TV panel. Run a bright moving animation on the Vizio TV again to re-stimulate pixels. Allow the Vizio TV animation to run for another 20 minutes. Turn off the Vizio TV and let it rest again for a short cooldown. Turn on the Vizio TV and evaluate the image retention levels. If the problem has decreased, continue using the Vizio TV with varied content to maintain clarity. If image retention continues heavily, the Vizio TV panel may be experiencing wear. At this stage, consider contacting Vizio TV support for panel diagnostics. Be sure to mention the exact steps you performed on the Vizio TV to assist support. Continue watching varied, moving content on the Vizio TV to prevent future ghosting issues.